Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Um, Today, I have a very interesting and important topic to discuss with you. And why I'm saying that this is very important because everyone who is coming here uh, to earn money is a good need of a person, and this is a big responsibility for a person who is coming here, because if someone will not earn money, so he or she cannot survive here um, with spending money from Pakistan, because when money convert or there is a conversion from PKR to DKK, that is a very big amount of money. So you can spend for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, or 6 months, but not more than this, because you have to pay a high amount of rent, and then you have to pay the bills, and bills include electricity, heating, and you have to bear the expenses for your transportation, because you have to go somewhere, and then you have to eat something, so definitely there is a you have to spend money on that as well. So the big concern and big challenge is how to earn money and how to find the job, and what could be the possibilities. However, I think that I know that nowadays it's little difficult to hand a job here in Denmark as well. But if this is your responsibility to apply and apply again and again, so at some point or to some extent you will get your answer positive, and good luck for your future who are planning to come here and who are living here. So to get job, there is a very good way to get a job, because every commune or in every area there is a job center, and job center always help to find the jobs, and they can give you advices where you can apply and how you can apply. So this is a very good idea to first visit your job center and ask them to help you to find the jobs. Or in another way, as I have told you that I made a little handbook or booklet for the new beginners who are moving from Pakistan or any other country from here, and from any other country to here, or who is living here and who is in initial stages. So it would be helpful for all of you if you will read that thoroughly. So I have given with the pictures that you can apply on the different websites. Now I will just tell you little things about job hunting and job websites. That jobnet.tk is a very common um, link to apply. And then there is a job index. You can make your profile on the job index, and then it would be easy for you to apply again and again. You don't need to write your CV again and again, so it would be easy for you to apply through job index or jobnet.tk. So these are two websites, and then there are many other, that is offer .tk, and there is a Jubilee, and also I have written in my handbook, so I can also get help from there. Yeah, there is a thing which we call Volt. So Volt is just like a food panda in Pakistan. So this is also a very good idea to do or find the job in Volt. And there is a Insta service, and you can download the app also on your mobile telephone. And this is a vicar. We say vicar in Denmark when there is a substitute. For example, you will be called if some employee or someone is not present, or someone is missing from the job, or maybe someone is on sick leave, so you can get a job there as a vicar. And there is also a humanizer, and there is also a sosu job. So I know it would be difficult to do these things, but still, if you will apply, I hope you will get a job. And there is also one JKS, we call it JKS. So if you will search on internet, you can find easily JKS. And also in IKEA, you can find jobs. And my husband is also doing their job in IKEA. So maybe at some time I will request him to come on this video, and he can also tell you something about IKEA and job, how he has got his job, and what is the which are the ways that the others can get help from him. So I will try to get him and ask him or request him to make a video along with me. So it would be, I hope it would be very helpful for you. uh, so this was all from my side. If you will have any questions or queries, so you can write on my channel. So I will try to answer you. Not try, I will definitely answer you on my channel. So thank you so much for watching me, and see you soon.